Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to replace an inner tube. This is a very easy job and all you're going to need is a pair of tyre levers and a pump. First, what you're going to do is take the tyre off using the quick release. Then what you're going to do is remove the dust cap and release any excess air. Then take your tyre lever, insert it in between the tyre and the rim and lever the tyre off. Work one of the levers around the rim until the tyre comes off. Then pull the tyre over and lift the inner tube so that the valve clears the rim. And now pull the inner tube clear of the whole tyre. Now that we've taken out the punctured inner tube, we are going to replace it with a new one. Now that you have your new inner tube, follow the same process in reverse. First, locate the hole in the rim and then push the inner tube through the hole. Next, feed the inner tube into the rim of the tyre. You could also put some air into the inner tube to help put the inner tube back into the tyre, just like I have. Finally, you need to pinch the tyre back over the rim. You may find your tyre levers useful here again. Then, check around the rim to make sure that the inner tube is not trapped between the tyre and the rim. Once you've done that, it is time to reinflate the tyre. Done. Once you've put the wheel back on the bike, you are ready to ride again.